Howdy, my friends. It's Coach Vigue. If you need to release, relax, let go of some stress and anxiety, click that like button right now and write yes below so I know that this video is resonating with you. All right, my friends, it's all body weight, no weights or machines. Let's take a few moments here to really make a difference. All right, my friends, sitting in a cross-legged position or wherever you are comfortable, let's do some shoulder rolls, some gentle movements here to make our bodies reset, especially during this very busy and often stressful holiday season. Taking a few moments here to make a huge difference. Inhale up, exhale back, breathing in the nose and out the nose. This is perfect for beginners, so make sure you share it with those people you know who are always stressed out. And two more times. Inhale, lift. Exhale, drop them back. Take the pressure off the neck and the shoulders. One more time. Up and back. Now let's bring the hands together. Take a few deep breaths right here, breathing into your deep abdominals. When you inhale, let this whole area pooch out. And then exhale, hold the belly button in. Let's take 3 more breaths just like that. You can also place the hands on the legs if you prefer. Let those shoulders sink down. The tension evaporating in the neck and the shoulders and the upper back. One more breath in this position right here. Let it out. Let it go and take that head side to side. Let the jaw be loose. Take tension out of the jaw, out of the mouth, out of the face. Ooh, I wish you could feel that nice breeze I'm feeling now. It's marvelous. It's wonderful, it's marvelous. Side to side. And adding a side bend. You're rooted down into the floor, into the ground, into the mat. Place the hand down, reaching up and over. Exhaling to the side. Taking some rigidness out of the back and spine. Exhale, reach. Inhale, tall. Exhale, up and over. Inhale and exhale. If you haven't noticed, I put on my relaxing yoga voice. Arms up and cactus arms. We open the chest, draw the shoulders back. You can always shake out the legs when you need to. The simple act of readjusting your posture so your shoulders are back and down, your chest is open, will bring you light years from where you were with the hunched over posture. The shoulders rolling forward, the body slumping. Open, open, open. All right, child's pose. Shake out the legs and the arms. I'm going to do a very relaxing shirt tuck. That was very relaxing. Knees hip width. Plant the hands, and then at your own discretion, my friend, exhale and sink back. There we are. Whatever movements you wish to do in the child's pose, go ahead. Release the back, release tension in your neck, in your glutes. Take a nice big 5 breaths. 5 breaths. Let it go with each exhale. Let it go. Shake it off. It only holds us back. And the more we focus on that breath, the better it gets, doesn't it? We're filling more space in the lungs, more satisfying breath, more oxygen, more potential. All right, rock it forward. Keep the right hand down. Take your left arm. Those of you who train with me a lot, you know we're going to do it. We're going to thread that needle. Bring the left arm underneath and then sinking back. Opening up the upper back and shoulders with this move. Take 3 breaths. And inhale forward. And now take that right arm and we balance it out. What a boost that is for our brains too when we start to balance each side evenly. Balancing the mind, balancing the body, balancing our breath. And let that carry over into your daily activities. Balance. 3 breaths. Snuggling into that move. Bring the arm through. No. Now here's a real treat. Real treat. Reverse scorpion. Sounds a little deadly, but it's actually quite cuddly. We're going to come forward and lower down. Right arm. You're going to take your right arm, reach it up and over your body. The right leg is going to come forward slightly. You can control that as much as you wish. Oh, let's switch the cap here, where I'm in a world of hurt. And we open up right here. So the right arm lifts over, and this right leg, you can extend it out if you like. You're basically moving into a lying spinal twist variation, coming from a new position to satisfy the opening here, the twist. Take 3 breaths. Let this shoulder relax, relaxing the right shoulder down, down, down. Moving with flow, coming back to the center. And let's do that reverse scorpion on the other side. That sounds good. That sound good? Yeah, that sounds good. All right, left arm up and over. Left leg extends, and we have something very special here, my friend. Oh. Little movement of the spine, perhaps. Let it go. Breathe, relax, release, renew. 3 more. 3 more breaths. You could rub your chest. That was spontaneous. A nice spontaneous chest rub, yes. Good boy, Sean. Oh my goodness. What a privilege it is to do this together. All right, back to the center. Whew. Come on up, sitting on the heels for a moment, shoulder rolls again. I'd say nothing fancy with this flow, but a lot of these moves are very powerful when they're done with great focus and precision. Never gloss over any of these. They just may save your life someday. They might save your day, your minute, your week, your month. Constantly resetting to those nice natural flow. One more time. All right, let's bring it down onto our backs. Enjoy the nice greenery, the nice Florida greenery behind me. Bring the knees into the chest. You can also place a pillow or a towel rolled up underneath your head, if you prefer. Rocking the knees side to side. Let your toes and fingers be loose. Take out the tension. The tension usually, or it always starts right here in the brain, and then it just passes all the way through. it makes it all the way out into the fingers and toes as well. So if you can stop those signals at the source, you're doing great. Figure 4. Why not? One of the most popular, great for opening the hips and the glutes. Place your right ankle on your left thigh here. Press that leg away, moving side to side perhaps. Little movement in the lower back. That is a wonderful thing. If your low back is tight, some nice dynamic movements like this, moving around and through your range of motion, can bring a lot of improvement. And with that improvement physically comes improvement in your mood, in what you look forward to, and how you conduct your days, your relationships, your business. Okay, right arm in between, left arm on the outside. Lace the fingers, head up or down. You could extend the left leg if you want. A little Coach Vigue tip, among others, is place your right elbow into your leg and press away as you pull the legs towards you. Remember, head up or down. Figure 4 is a wonderful gift to yourself. It feels great and it's great for you. Like a nice Honeycrisp apple, isn't it? A Honeycrisp. Sweet and delicious and healthy. All right, my friends, let's go the other side. Right foot flat, place the left ankle on top of the right thigh. Press that leg away. Get some space in the psoas and the groin. We discussed that before. If I ever have a grunge band, it's going to be called Space in the Groin, right? Right. Coach Vigue is swaying. I'm swaying side to side. I'm treating my lower back to some deliciousness here. There's another plane. When I film, all the planes fly overhead. It's a phenomenon. All right, figure 4. When you're ready, left arm in between, right arm on the outside. Lace and pull. Left ankle press, or left elbow rather, pressing into the leg. So overcast I can't even see the planes today. But how's your breathing? I want deep inhales and exhales. Practice that breath throughout the day. This is a lifestyle. This is a habit. It's not motivation. It is ingrained in our soul to keep flowing throughout the day. Keep breathing. Keep moving. Excellence. We want excellence. We demand it and we work for it. We have to work for it with our daily consistency. All right, let's do one more here. I know you got things to do, but you'll go back to doing them better, more focused, more relaxed. Let's drop the legs to the right. If you like, extend the top leg out. We have a full spinal twist. This left arm can reach out, find your twist, practice it. It's going to improve daily. It's going to expand daily, like everything else when you're consistent. Keep that breath going. Take away the distractions. You get away from things, you realize how small most of them are. They don't mean anything. These things that we obsess over. We build them up in our brains, in our mental prison. Go away. Let it drift. It just turns into vapor. Dissolves. All right, other side. Got to pull up the sweatpants. That helps me relax. And find that twist. Definitely got a little tightness here. Last few days, it's gotten better, but some of my movements I've been doing were actually favoring this side. So releasing that with these movements as well. Just goes to show, us instructors, we go through all the same stuff you do. We're just on camera a lot more. Breathing, saturate, drown your muscles in that breath. Marinate the muscles. right, give a full body stretch here. Arms overhead, reaching all directions, little shimmy in the hips. Arching the back, getting a nice curve. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed that. If this was something you liked and you want more of, click that like button and write yes below. You can also write more and whatever else you want to write, but I want to know so I can make more of them. Let me get up. Oh, there we are. Where are we? All right. Beautiful work, my friends. It's Coach Vigue. It's a privilege to train with you. Take some time every day, pop in my videos, and always improve, always expand, always get better. And as always, Coach Vigue, we'll see you around. Are we still on? Huh? Well, hello again, my friend. I want to thank you for training with me today by offering you a free, exclusive 30-minute yoga video from the Sean Vigue Fitness app. All you need to do to get this workout is to click the first link in the comment section below, and boom, that workout is all yours. Go get it right now.